Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Rutarium is a man-made ensemble consisting of tree roots, stumps, stones, and trunks. The composition is complemented by various plants and unusual objects. This modern and fashionable idea can become the jewel of your garden. Decorated with flowers and vines of green plants, the Garden of Roots is a real achievement of a skilled designer. The first step to creating your own root garden will be choosing a place. Do you have an old tree stump on your territory? You can create a rutarium around it, using the stump as a center. An ideal place would also be a pond. Being near the water has a calming effect, and the beautiful decoration of the shore with lilies and hemp decor will always please the eye. The next step will be the procurement of materials. First, look around. Often a lot can be found right on your site. Old driftwood, rocks and branches will do. The rest you can easily find in the nearby forest and by the stream. Send the children to collect interesting shaped pebbles. The size in this case does not matter. Everything will depend only on your imagination. Do not throw away the broken tree bark. It will serve as a decor for the future rutarium. Low plants, dwarf shrubs, moss and stunt flowers will be an integral part of the rutarium. You can plant blueberries and strawberries. Their planting will also look harmoniously in the overall composition. The average life expectancy of the rutarium is about 3 years. All wooden parts must be doused with boiling water to destroy the larvae in the rocks. Then the tree should be dried and treated with the composition from bark beetles and rooting. It is best to use colorless preparations so as not to spoil the natural appearance of the material. If we are talking about a composition with a stump in the center, then the space around it will need to be cleared of weeds and debris, and the dust in the middle will be removed to the maximum. Do not touch moss. It is a beautiful ground cover plant that looks good in rutaria. With stones, the situation is simpler. It is enough to select them by size, wash them well and clean them from their remnants of vegetation. You can cover them with paint or varnish and cover the central part of the composition with them. Or you can put figures of fairy tale heroes on the stones, creating a play corner for children.
How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you.
DIY interior design details. A country house is a place for bringing design ideas to life. It is doubly pleasant that you can decorate it with something made by yourself. We offer some low-cost ideas on how to transform the interior of the garden with your own hands. Borders from an ordinary brick. Takes little time, looks stylish. Garden plywood figurines. You need a sheet of plywood, a stencil and the paint. Would you like to make a goat? Draw a silhouette on a sheet of cardboard, cut it out, transfer the drawing to plywood. Then outline the important details. It remains to paint and install crafts among the flower bed. We decorate lawns with fun drawings and intricate patterns. It will not be difficult for an economic person with the beginnings of creativity to create a beautiful decor on their own. Gravel patterns are a popular and easy way to decorate your own lawn. The only difficulty is to choose a pattern in which the gravel will be laid. Create unique lawn patterns by adjusting the grass cutting height. In this way, shortcut grass areas are combined with higher ones, resulting in unique geometric patterns. Floral patterns are perhaps the most complex. They need constant care. You need to make sure that naughty plants do not go beyond the boundaries of the pattern.
The terrace can be a great place to relax, meet with guests, but for a comfortable pastime in such a gazebo, you will need to equip it with everything you need. To save money, you can make furniture for the terrace with your own hands. Let's consider the features of such a process, the materials that will be needed. Selection criteria and types of materials. When choosing materials for cottage furniture made with your own hands, you will need to take into account several important details. The general style of the space, practicality and ease of use, maximum long service life, resistance to external factors, preservation of the original appearance for many years. Having decided to create furniture for the terrace with your own hands, you need to decide on a style solution. The most popular options are Oriental fairy tales. They use a combination of upholstered furniture with stone elements. Pillows, umbrellas, Arabic accessories are used to complement the interior. Tropical islands. They equip with wicker elements, arrange tall flower pots on the terrace. The decorations are decorative elements in the marine style. French cafe. The presence of forged elements, classic decorative elements, stripped accessories is mandatory. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.